Yo, last time y'all seen this, it was flat. And I told y'all that whenever it fills up, we was gonna do a demonstration. I know a lot of y'all didn't believe me when I said that our poop, our pee, and our food scraps can create renewable energy like methane gas and liquid fertilizer. In this video, I'm gonna show you why we chose to go with the home biogas system and that it actually works. You can laugh and joke all you want, but at the end of the day, I'm winning. And you could too, if you were to ever invest in one of these. Just saying. Before we get started, I'm gonna show you how the gas goes from this to the greenhouse bathroom where the stove is at currently. Keep in mind, this is only a video for me to demonstrate to y'all how this works. This is not the permanent setup, you know what I'm saying? In the meantime, what I'm going to do is connect the gas line to the tankless hot water heater that we have. So whenever we take showers, this is what's going to be heating up the water, all right? The gas line is connected to this portion of the biogas system, okay? It's going from the top portion of the biogas system, and right here is the shutoff valve. Currently, it's shut off because I'm not using it, but I'm about to turn it on to show y'all that it works. So anyways, it go from there to right here. This is the lowest point. This is the section where I can open the valve and release moisture, because if you allow that moisture to accumulate and stay in it, it's gonna block the gas from going to the stove. We don't want that. So from time to time, it'll be good to open that up, release the moisture so that you can continue using the gas. So it goes from there all the way up into the greenhouse bathroom where the stove is currently situated. And that's that. And that, my friends, that's how you get it done.